ki khubor na ka shlem jong nong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Sangma Hanegasngi Ulakhot Jingkiew Yaki MLA Jongki constituency Kibadon Hanongba Shillong Hakabah Nyongut ki MLA Kelawan Banishim Banda Habaikran berkilat pathai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong ulayatu bak Sorkar Kalakhot Kerpang yakni Jingkiew ban Kerpat Yaki MLA Banyasnok Tilang Banikun Persya yakni Kaklam Shushu nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ulayatu bak Sorkar kalapan imbiang ya ke constituency COVID committee haga baki MLA kin saya tai Sani ba Halor ke Jingsapriang jong kani ke Jingpang bat ban selok ikipaj ba ban bot renti ya ke Jingbetha jong ke Sorkar nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ulayatu ro ba barok ki MLA kila kubur ban snok tilang bat ke Sorkar habai dei bat kani ke Jingkiew Persya ya kani ke klam COVID khat kendai.
I just wanted to inform all of you that our Honorable Chief Minister today has invited our Honorable MLAs of Shillong constituencies, where almost all the 7 MLAs attended the meeting. And in the meeting, the government has requested all the respective local MLAs to also share the responsibility with the government by requesting each and every individual in and around Shillong that they should get themselves vaccinated at the earliest possible. So that is the point number one, where we already discussed with the honorable MLAs, and all the honorable MLAs has also agreed. And the second point was relating to the reactivation of the constituency COVID management committee, which was already notified during the last year. And then again, we already decided to reactivate these committees in the respective constituency, where they will have a regular review meeting in the level, and in case if need be, they will accordingly inform the government for any necessary help from the government relating the fighting of the COVID-19. So these are the two issues where we discussed, and I'm so happy to inform to all of you that all the local MLAs of the Shillong city are also together with the government in fighting against the COVID-19. And we were talking even about the entry point. We have already told them that yes, the entry point now, we decided yesterday, I've already briefed all of you, that from the entry point, from today itself, any person entering the state of Meghalaya needs to go for the RT-PCR test. And then number two, we got the suggestion made by the honorable MLAs today that we need to create more room in the entry points for collection of the samples of each and every individuals who enter the state of Meghalaya. And that also we agreed, and then we are going to strengthen wherever necessary for the manpower of the entry points. And one of them is from 26th up to the 2nd of May, we are going to close down the non-essential shops. Non-essential shops will be closed down from 26th up to the 2nd of May. And by doing this, I'm sure movement of people to Shillong will be reduced. So I'm sure, because see, this one, what I'm trying to tell you is, our request from the government is what? In fact, right now we don't have that, we don't have that figure. That's why we insisted them. One is you have to go for injection, number one. In case if you get, maybe after the first dose of vaccination, maybe tomorrow or the after tomorrow you get the positive case. You become a positive case. So when you become a positive, let me just tell you one thing. What happened is the impact of the virus is reduced. You don't have to go to hospital. Because see, nowadays it's so dangerous because people, they must be having a prolonged illness in different ways, whatever. So by taking the vaccination, the impact of the virus is reduced drastically. Therefore, I'm saying once again, I would request all the concerned citizens of the state, please get yourself vaccinated. Whatever you say, please get yourself vaccinated. Don't just be diverted your mind by anybody who will tell you that no, if you do this, if you go for injection, you may get complication or this. So I'm just telling you, I would like to be blunt. Nothing will happen. Please make sure, get yourself vaccinated.